that one. I want to go to our grammar here. You know,
Okay.
Terry, you know that when we are talking about the past, like the history, we need to use the past tense, okay?
Yes, I
Yeah,
know.
you know that. So now we're going to practice more on using the past tense of our verb. For example, what's the past tense of
Okay.
carve?
Carved,
What's the past tense of play?
played,
What's the past tense of prepare?
prepared,
Very good. Let's move up here. Let's see what is the past tense of notice.
noticed,
Noticed.
noticed,
Good. What's the past tense of dress?
dressed,
Dressed.
dressed,
Not dressed, dressed.
dressed.
Very good. All right. So
Oh,
it's I think you're doing really good with your past tense. You say we went to the Palace Museum today. I saw la 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 la. So that's really really good, Terry. All right. Now